administrative decision. We have looked at all these other banks. We invited them. We've looked at different commercial banks, and let me not name. No one is charging us no processing fee as a percentage. No one is giving us that rate. In fact, one of our entities did even go to being offered is the best. So it's an administrative decision. And banks, of course, like any institution, can have owners. Yeah. Sidian has owners, KCB has shareholders, NCBA Bank has owners. I don't see people asking about it when account is open, accounts there. All of these things have, have shareholders. But if there's a specific shareholder in government, please produce that evidence to us.
Chair, can I have a supplementary question? Mine is different. It's on the same, on the banks.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm not passing
be brief, eh?
the details of the people, but
don't go too personal.
No, I'm not going to any names, because I agree with the governor that anybody can own anything in this country. The question I had is because he was the chair of this committee. And if I remember, he talked very strongly against very many accounts held by governors when he was chairing this committee. What do you feel is the maximum number of accounts or minimum number? Can we have a minimum or a maximum number of accounts held by county governments?
Yes.
And now that you are there, I'm taking advantage of the fact that you are the one who brought it to Senate.
Chair, at that time...
Chair, before he answers that question.
Yeah, because Chair...
Chair, can we take all the questions first?